How to Trade Stock Options for Beginners by www.options-trading-education.com. Options trading can be a profitable way to trade stocks and a way to limit losses as well. Options trading provides traders with a means of leveraging a small trading account into large gains. But in order to gain profits in options trading, you need to learn the basics, practice in simulation trading, and then start with your own money. This article is about how to trade stock options for beginners. Options Basics. Stock options are traded with calls and puts. What are call options? In stock trading, these are contracts giving the buyer the right to purchase 100 shares of stock per contract. The trader pays a premium to purchase the options contract. He then has the right to buy stock, but is under no obligation to do so. The trader will analyze the fundamentals of a stock and do technical analysis of stock price patterns, seeking to predict price movement. When he believes that a stock will go up in value, he can do a number of things. He can just buy the stock. But then, if the price goes down, he has lost money, maybe a lot if the fall is precipitous. He has also tied up a fair amount of capital in the transaction. An alternative is to buy call options. The buyer of a call contract limits his potential losses to the premium he pays for the call contract. The seller makes money by selling the contract, but assumes the risk of a huge loss if the trade goes against him. The other basic contract is a put. A put contract confers an obligation on the seller, writer of the put option, to buy the underlying equity if the buyer executes the contract. As with calls, the buyer pays a premium and the seller collects. The buyer is under no obligation to execute the put and will do so only if the stock price falls. He limits his potential losses to the cost of the premium he pays. The seller gets paid for assuming a potentially large risk of loss. Practice makes perfect. Options trading is a business. Successful options traders learn to analyze stocks for both short-term and longer-term price movement. Then they trade accordingly. The technical analysis of options is applied to short-term price movement. Traders analyze price, trading volume, open interest, and price patterns. Serious traders use a trade station with statistical analysis software and the ability to display a lot of useful information all at once. Think of working at a trade station like performance art. You need to practice and practice until all of the necessary steps are second nature. Traders commonly use simulation trading programs that have real data from past months and years. How to trade stock options for beginners is to start in simulation trading until you are proficient with the tools you need. Then and only then should you start trading with your own money. Another useful step is to sign on with a trading coach for the first few months and follow his or her trades until you are totally comfortable making your own choices. For more insights and useful information about options trading, visit www.options-trading-education.com.